This was a simple app built with a React frontend and a Rails backend. It's meant for more senior students at Flatiron School to leave advice for more junior students who enter a new mod. And we can see here are the different mods with their own different topics and their own different advice that's left behind from the more senior students. And so at the time of making this, I was in mod 4. I should be able to leave a post because I was in that mod, but if I try to leave advice for a mod that I wasn't in, it won't allow me to. So let me demonstrate that. What was React? Learn Redux as soon as possible. So that's been submitted. And then if I try to leave advice here, I'm not in this mod yet. I'll get an error saying that I cannot. I'm not allowed to do that. And that's because I have in the profile, I say I'm in mod 4, but say I updated it and said I moved to mod 5. Password. Yeah. So if I say I moved to mod 5, then I will be able to leave advice. So Redux is very useful. Comfortable with it. And now it can be submitted. And that's the overall app for mod 4. Thanks for watching.